Have you ever wondered who helps flowers grow and fruit ripen? It's the amazing little bees buzzing around us. When bees fly from flower to flower, they collect sweet stuff called nectar, which they use to make honey. But here's the magic part. While they're sipping nectar, they accidentally carry tiny bits of powder called pollen from one flower to another. This helps the flowers make seeds and grow new plants, just like how you share toys with friends to make fun new games. Without bees, many of the foods we love, like apples and strawberries, wouldn't be able to grow. So the next time you see a bee buzzing around, remember, they're on a special mission to help nature. Thanks to bees, our world is filled with beautiful flowers and delicious fruits, making them true heroes of the garden.